Howdy friends, it's Teacher Sabrina. I'm so happy to see you all today. My friends, today I am dressed up as Jessie from the movie Toy Story. Yay! My friends, have y'all seen the Toy Story movies before? Awesome, yeah. My friends, I love Toy Story 1, Toy Story 2, Toy Story 3, Toy Story 4, and now Toy Story 5. Whoa, my friends, have y'all seen the new movie yet? Toy Story 5? Yeah? Oh, you gotta check it out. It's really good. Awesome. Well, my friends, today we're going to learn a really fun song from the movie Toy Story in sign language. And my friends, before we get started with our sign language class today, if you could please hit that subscribe button. That way you can see all of the classes here on my channel. I have some really fun read alouds, some dance classes, sign language classes, some Toy Story game classes coming out soon. I'm so excited. Yay, thanks my friends. And if you really enjoy this class, please give it a like. That helps share it with more people on YouTube, so that would be great as well if you could help me out. Thank you, my friends. Now, for our class today, I'm going to teach y'all step by step, kind of line by line, word by word, some sign language. So my friends, for the first line of the song, it says, "You've got a friend in me." So here we go. I'm going to take off my hat just so I have some room to move. So here we go. Awesome. So the first line in the Toy Story song, "You've got a friend in me," is that. So for you, we're going to start off and you're going to point like I'm talking to you. So you have, you've got, you have. So have, what we're going to do, can everybody make two flat hands like this? Awesome. You got it. And then we're going to put it into our chest. Like you have something. You've got something. Very good. So you've got a friend. My friends, this is a really fun and special sign. So the sign for friend is, I want everybody to hold up the number 1. Can everybody hold up the number 1 in each hand like this? Very good. Now we're going to make 2 hooks, like a pirate hook. Very good. And we're just going to link them together like this, like back and forth, just a couple times like this. This is the sign for friend. Very good. So now let's practice that. You've got a friend in me. So to do the sign for in, what we're going to do is you're going to pretend like you have a little cup. Like you're making a little cup, like you can drink water. So we're going to have a little cup and then we're going to go in. So it's like pretend like you're grabbing something and you're putting it in the cup. That is the sign for in. Very good. You got it. Great job. Let's see everybody practice. Very good. So you've got a friend in me. Very good. So the sign for me is you're just going to point to yourself. I am me. Very good. Okay, you got it, my friends. Now let's see if we can put that whole phrase together. Okay, here we go. Ready? So you've got a friend in me. Very good. You got it, my friends. Okay, now it repeats that line twice and it says, "When the road is rough ahead." So when is like, what we're going to do is this is the sign for when. So we're going to do one finger up like you're holding the number 1 and you're going to hold it out in front of you. And then with this number 1, you're going to circle around and then you're going to land on top. So this is the sign for when. Very good. Like we don't know when, but someday when the road is rough ahead. So the road. So my friends, for road, this is a really simple sign. We're just going to make a long road with our arms. Can y'all practice that with me? This is the sign for road. The road can go this way, but we're just going to do it right in front. So this is the road. So ready? When the road is rough ahead. So the sign for rough, like we're, you know, when the ground is like rough, like there's gravel or rocks on the ground, it's rough, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to hold out one hand like this, and then with our other hand, we're going to make kind of like a bear claw or like a dog claw like this, and then we're going to go over our hand. That's the sign for rough. You can kind of feel your fingernails over your hand. It feels a little rough, right? So that is the sign for rough. Very good. Awesome. Can y'all practice that with me? Very good. You got it, my friends. Okay, when the road is rough ahead. So ahead, we're just going to do like this, like it's in front of, it's coming up. So when the road is rough ahead. So you're just going to have one flat hand in front of you and then another flat hand, and you're just putting it on top and then adding it out a little bit further. That's the sign for ahead. Very good. You got it, my friends. So when the road is rough ahead, and the next line in the song says, and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed. So for this one, we're going to say miles and miles. So miles is like when you're driving in a car. So we're just going to pretend like this is the odometer, and we're just going to go around like miles and miles. So miles and miles in your nice warm bed. So ready? So here we go. Miles and miles. So just go around your finger. Miles and miles in your nice warm bed. Remember, pretend your hand is flat like this, and we're just going to lay our head down and take a little nap. Very good. That is the sign for bed. Very good, my friend. So miles and miles in your nice warm bed. And then it goes, you just remember what your old pal said. Okay, my friends, so for the sign for remember, what we're going to do is we're going to make 2 thumbs up. Can y'all practice that with me? 2 thumbs up, very good. And then we're just going to put 1 thumb here on our forehead and the other thumb out in front of us. So we're going to remember something, like we're recalling the information and we're bringing it forward, right? We're taking it out of our head, out of our brain. Very good. So this is the sign for remember. Very good. Can y'all practice that for me? Let me see. Very good. Remember. So you just remember what your old pal said. So the sign for old is actually really fun. We're going to make a C like this, and we're going to pretend we have a beard coming down from our chin. So my friends, can y'all make that C with me? Very good. And we're just going to make a fuzzy beard coming down from our chin. Good. So that's the sign for old, our old pal. So my friends, pal is another word for friend. So remember this sign? Friend. Very good. We did it earlier. Perfect. Okay, my friends, and for the last part, for the word said, we're just going to point to our chin, like point to our mouth 2 times and just do a little tap. A little tap of the chin like we're pointing to our mouth, like we're saying something. Very good. That is the sign for said. Good job, my friends. So let's put that sentence together now. Ready? So you just remember what your old pal said, boy. So the sign for boy is we're going to pretend we're wearing a cowboy hat or like a baseball cap, and we're going to grab the brim of that hat. Can y'all practice that with me? Pretend you're wearing a hat and you're just grabbing the hat. Like I have Jessie's hat right here. So pretend if I'm wearing this hat and I'm grabbing the hat. Can y'all practice that? You got it. Great job, my friends. So that is the sign for boy in sign language. Very good. So boy, you, like we're talking to someone, you have a friend. Remember this one? A friend in, like we're putting something in the cup. You've got a friend in me. Yay, you got it, my friends. Great job. Okay, so that is the first part of the song. So let's sign that whole section together. Are you ready, my friends? I think you got it. Okay, here we go. Ready? So it says, you've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road is rough ahead and you're miles and miles in your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. You've got a friend in me. Good. And it might say, boy, you've got a friend in me. Yay! My friends, y'all did so amazing at signing that part of the song from Toy Story. I love it. Can everybody give yourselves a round of applause? Yay! Very good. Awesome. Well, my friends, I really love that song, You've Got a Friend in Me from Toy Story. Toy Story is one of my favorite movies ever, my friends, and I'm so excited to see Toy Story 5. Oh my goodness. Well, my friends, I hope that everyone has an amazing summer. And before we go, if you could please hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more sign language videos from me, Teacher Sabrina, or if you want to see more Toy Story content, more summer content. I have some puppy content coming out soon. I'm so excited. So yay! Thanks, my friends. Awesome. Well, I will see you next time. Bye, everyone. See you next time. If you'd like to check out more fun Toy Story content, please check out my Toy Story 5 dance class. I'll teach you how to dance to the song You've Got a Friend in Me. Or you can check out my Toy Story 5 game class. It's so much fun. We will play a Would You Rather game, all inspired by our favorite Toy Story movies. Yay! Thanks, my friends. See you next time.